Okay, now open the VS Code. In VS Code we have a small HTML program. We have HTML tag, body tag. In body tag the background color is equal to light blue, and we have h1 tag. In h1 tag JavaScript variables, and we have paragraph tag, and we have another paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag I have created id, the id name equal to demo, and after we have a script tag. Here the x value equal to 5 and y value equal to 6 and z equal to x plus y. Document dot write the value of x and the value of y to print the x and y values, and document dot get element by id name demo, so I have to pass the same value demo dot inner html equal to the value of z. Okay, right, save this code and run the code. And just refresh. So the value of x is 5 and the value of y is 6 and the value of z equal to x plus y. X plus y that equal to 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Now go to VS Code. In VS Code now we can write where keyword, where x equal to 50 and where y equal to 60 and z equal to x plus y, and document dot write the value of x is and the value of y is, and document dot get element by id. I have to pass the same id name, and dot inner html equal to the value of z. Save this code and open the browser. And just refresh. See, the value of x is 50 and the value of y is 60. Sum of x plus y equal to 110. Okay, now open the VS Code. Now I have to create same variable name where x equal to some 100, where x equal to 100. I have created the same variable name but I have changed the value. Save this code and run the code. Open the browser and just refresh it. See, the value of x is 100 and the value of y is 60. Total value is 160. So the JavaScript is a dynamic language. It will take the second variable value, that is x equal to 100. Okay, right. By using the where keyword we can create the same variable name and we can change the value of the variable. Okay, right. Go to VS Code. Now let keyword, just comment this line and let and z value let. Okay, let x equal to 500, change the value, and y equal to 600, and z equal to x plus y. Then the document dot write the value of x is and the value of y, and document dot get element by id, the inner html, the value of z is. Save this code and run this code. Open the browser and refresh the browser. See, the value of x is 500, the value of y is 600, the total sum is 1100. Okay, by using the let keyword. Now I have created same variable name with let keyword. It will show the error. It will show the error. Save this code and run the browser. Open the browser. Just refresh it. See, we did not get any values, because whenever we use the let keyword, we cannot create the same variable name. That is the main difference between the var keyword and let keyword. Okay, right. Now just I want to change the value x equal to 100. Okay, x equal to 100 and y equal to 600. Let z equal to x plus y. Document dot the value of x is under the value of y. Okay, open the browser. Open the browser and just refresh. See, the value of z is 700, the value of x is 100, the value of y is 600. So whenever we use let keyword, we cannot create the same variable name, but we can change the value of that variable. We can change the value of that variable. Okay, right. Now constant keyword. Constant x equal to 100, comment this line. Constant y equal to 200, constant z equal to x plus y. Okay, save this code. Just refresh the browser. See, the x value is 100, the y value is 200, total is 300. Okay, now I want to create the same variable by using the constant. See, it is showing the error. It is showing error, and I want to create the same x. I have to change the value. X value equal to some 300. Constant x equal to 100, x equal to 300. Constant y equal to 200, constant z equal to x plus y, and save this code. And just refresh the browser. So we did not get any values. So that means in whenever we use the constant keyword, we cannot change the value of the variable, and we cannot create the same variable name. So whenever we use constant keyword, the value is constant and the variable name is constant. We cannot change the uh, value. Okay, right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.